Good afternoon and welcome to Integrity Cells. Folks, this afternoon John and I are going to give you a nice detailed video of a fire truck. Folks, you're looking at a 1998 Pierce fire truck. It's a ladder truck, a 105-foot ladder with the absolute hookup, lighting, generator backup, everything complete. The sirens, the lights, everything on this sucker work and it's ready to go. Folks, this is one expensive truck if you go out and try to buy it new. Folks, this comes from our local fire department. They replaced it with a newer unit. There is nothing wrong with this truck, folks. You can key start it, it runs and drives. If you'll look at the next video, you'll see we have the operations going as far as the outriggers, the ladders working and all. Folks, this video here, I'm going to give you a nice detail overview of the entire outside of the truck. As we come around here, you can see we have the sirens, the lights, and everything on here. Look at the spray nozzle up there and the lights and everything that go with it. Beautiful glass, no damage on it at all. Look at this nice crew cab, folks. It's in immaculate, clean condition. Come down here with me underneath. Look at these nice rims and them 90% steer tires. Look underneath here, folks. It's absolutely in mint condition. Take a look for me in here. Look at this. You got the crew cab. You can put people in the front. You can put them in the back. Look at the stainless, the aluminum, the stainless and aluminum cover over this big engine. Look at the seating area, folks. Lighting, everything to go with it. These actual door latches and stuff work perfect. Look at this. Beautiful like new. They just slam shut. Folks, it's equipped with a diesel power genset. You're looking at the radiator there. Later we'll demonstrate it. All the valving, everything is here intact. You've got the dual hydraulic outriggers. Look at all the storage and the toolboxes this sucker has. Look at that, folks. Very nice. Check that out. It's as clean as a pin, and you just heard John fire up that big old series motor, and she runs and purrs quiet. Look at that exhaust pipe there. No exhaust coming out at all. As you heard it run, it's in beautiful condition. Now, let's come up here and let you look at the rear drive tires. Again, 90% virgin rubber on Hendrickson walking beam suspension. No rust up here above the fenders at all. Check this out. A little paint peeling here and there above the tires, but no rust holes going on. Now, as we come to the back here, I'm going to have John run up on the top by the ladder control and flip up the lid up there. We're going to let you see how this all works. Folks, it's a two-man operation for safety. It takes one man on top and one down below. And as you see him come up there, if you flip up the control covers, there's all your operational controls for the ladder itself. Folks, with that, John will come on down. We're going to go on through this truck showing you all the features all around as we cruise through here. Look at this beautiful aluminum back end, folks. Again, no corrosion. It's got the leveling device on there. It's all here for you. If you lift up this back door and the roll-up door, you're going to see the ladders and everything that come with us. Let's unlatch this and roll that up for you. Take a look at all the extension ladders, folks. Check it out. It's all here for you in one nice, clean package. Check that out. Okay, we're going to roll that door down. We'll continue on around the side. As you can see, and we come up on this driver's side, it's beautiful, just like the passenger. John's going to open some of these compartment doors for you to see for yourself how nice they are, how clean they are, the rubber mats, and look at the inside of them doors, just shiny like new. They slam right shut. They latch beautifully. It's an amazingly nice, clean truck right here from our community fire department, well taken care of. We have all the maintenance records. We have the original manuals for the truck. Folks, it's all here for you in one nice, clean package. Okay, let's come on up here, and John's going to show you the evidence that this onboard diesel generator fires right up and runs. He's going to go ahead and fire it up. As you can tell, she cranks right over and runs just fine. Now, let's go ahead and come on down here. You can just shut that off, John. Let's come on down, and we're going to show you the nice side of the cab on the driver's side as well. You can see it's a duplication of the other side. Very nice, straight and clean. Nice, clean front bumper. It's a beautiful truck. We're going to go ahead and move on around. John's going to fire up the actual engine in the truck now and let the air pressure build up. Then we're going to go ahead and take you for a nice test drive in this girl. Now, as you come back here, folks, you can hear it fire up. You can see all your gauges. The lights power right up. Take a look. You got the flow meter. Everything comes right on. Right here's all your generator controls. It's all here for you in one nice clean package. Folks, it's a nice truck right here ready for you to go to work. Look at all the nice gauges on here. Folks, it's clean. It's a beautiful thing. Look at all. Now, I just fired up the generator, and you can hear that running. The lights come on. I'm going to have John shut that off so you can hear the generator run better. Shut that off just a minute. We never let you hear the generator run in the last start up there. I'm going to let it run for just a second so that you can see it powers up. The work lights come right on. So we're sitting here running off the generator. I'm going to run around here to the actual passenger side and let you hear that girl run for yourself, and then we'll go back to what we were doing. Folks, as you can see, the muffler's right down here in the bottom for the diesel generator. There's your work lights on both sides. Go ahead and shut the generator off. Now, I'm going to have John shut the generator off, folks. We're going to come back around to the driver's side, and we're going to have John go ahead and fire up the truck engine again now, and we're going to prepare for a test drive. But folks, while he's doing that, I want to show you something. Look down here. We have the safety fire chucks. We have all the pads for the outriggers. You got the pads down in here for the outrigger legs. Folks, it's all here. There's nothing missing. They didn't steal everything off this truck like so often it is. The fire, the siren, everything work on this girl. And listen to that motor purr. Now, let's look in the back here. Look on this side compartment, just like the passenger side. Nice stainless steel, all aluminum engine housing. Look at the nice back seat area. Folks, it's a beautiful, clean truck. Now, let's go ahead and join John in the cab, and we're going to go for a test drive on this girl so that you can see and hear it run and operate. So, come on in with me. Let's open up the passenger door. Let's have a look at the cab, folks. Look how nice and clean it is here. Come in. You can see we got the foot pedal control for the mechanical siren, for the air horn, and I'm just going to demonstrate that a moment. There's your air horn, and listen to the siren. Go ahead and tap on your side, John. You have the master on your side. There you go. Okay, folks, with that, we're going to go ahead and hop on into the cab. I want you to see we have the CB controls. We've got it all in one nice package here for you. Now, hear that siren? Wow. Beautiful sounding siren, all working here in one nice package. Look at this nice clean dash. We have the channel, we have the CB radio controls, we got the inside emergency lighting, and look at this. Here's your battery disconnect, transmission shift tower, and your power brake release. Folks, look at all the gauges in here. You can see they're working, carrying 70 pounds of oil pressure. Take a look. Come on over here for yourself. You can see it. Everything's working, and I don't see any check engine, service engine lights on. Folks, here's your main control panel for your transmission disengagement, for your PTO, and everything is right here at fingertip control. Folks, with that, John's going to put this girl in gear, and we're going to take you for a quick test drive and show you that this truck runs fine down the road. Okay, here we go. We're in drive, brake released, and folks, she's fully automatic, so anybody can drive it. Take a look for yourself. We're going to pull out here in this nice country road. It's a little bit of a rainy day. Here's your proof that the windshield wipers and everything work. Now, John's going to go ahead and hammer on this big old Detroit to let you see that it absolutely runs out just fine. Wow, look at that thing shift through the gears without any hesitation at all. Now, we're cruising right down the road. Look at this tack, folks. You can see we're coming right up on 30 mile an hour, and we just barely left the shop, folks. This sucker runs out nice. Now, we're on a nice rough country back road here, so we're going to just go ahead and cruise along, and you can hear me in this video real well. This cab is nice and quiet. Overall, folks, this is a nice, beautiful truck at a price you can afford. With that, folks, we're going to wrap up the video. You can see that she runs, drives, and shifts just fine. Please give us a call at 260-238-5000 or visit our website at www.99trucks.com. Thanks again, and we'll be waiting to take your call.